In this video, we will recap the key takeaways from this section of the course. The standard library's sort function takes in two parameters, a pointer to the starting position and a pointer to the ending position, which can be obtained using the begin and end functions respectively. The sort function will sort its elements in ascending order. In order to use the sort function, we need to include the algorithm header file at the top of the code. To obtain the number of elements in an array, we can use the size function. Indexing in C++ starts at 0. So the first element is at index 0, the second element is at index 1, etc. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly before it. Vectors are resizable lists and are useful when we want to be able to dynamically add elements to and remove elements from the list without having an exact fixed size of elements it can hold. To swap two elements in an array, we can store one value in a temp variable, set the first element equal to the second, and then set the second element equal to temp.